Okay, so I'm about to encounter a T-62 that previously killed me in my M60. I know exactly where he is. Okay, I see him. I've got heat. I should easily penetrate this guy. I hit him, I set him on fire, and I hit his ammo right behind his fuel tank, which is on fire, right next to the ammo. And I'm going to time this just to see how long he stays on fire for. So there's a fire in his crew compartment. The fire is, well, should be burning the ammo, right? Which is right next to the fuel tank I set on fire. But so far he's been on fire for 20 seconds. He kills me. It's been 25 seconds. He's still on fire. Continues moving down the hill. It's been 30 seconds. He's still on fire. He finally burns out at 35 seconds, 36 seconds.